Hello, I am motorist and I want to show you this nice chunky British padlock. It is an ERA or ERA 5-lever insurance padlock. There's a nice shutter on the keyway, and there's a nice little rondelle here stating ERA and the patent number and made in England, I believe it says. I'm sorry, I can't read it. Anyway, 5 levers. I believe this is the predecessor of the current ERA insurance lock. This is the 975, so almost the same, just a difference in this one has a swivel and this one has a sliding, and the newer one is a little bit thinner than the old one. The difference is in the thickness of the front and back plates of these, but they both have the same number of laminations. So I'll put this here and see if I can pick this one. Remember, it's an insurance lock, so I have this tensioner made out of another ERA key from a different lock. Let's see this in here. Well, I'll start in the back, I guess. Let's see. There was a little shift on the bolt, another, and here we go. Well, that wasn't too hard, huh? Let's take this out. I like the sound of this shackle. So, let's see if it still works. Okay, that was it. That's what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. I am Motorist. Bye bye.